Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll solve a few problems on the topic ages where you have to calculate the age of a person before n years. Since questions based on this topic are most frequently asked in competitive exams, it makes sense to understand the topic well. These questions are the ones where marks can be scored easily if practiced well. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Sharad is 60 years old and Santosh is 80 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 4:6? You're given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to calculate how many years ago the ratio of their ages was 4:6. Let's assume it was X years ago. It's given at present Sharad is 60 years and Santosh is 80 years. So X years ago Sharad's age would have been 60 minus X and Santosh's age would have been 80 minus X. So the ratio of their ages X years ago was 4:6. This means 60 minus X divided by 80 minus X is equal to 4 divided by X. On cross multiplication, we get 6 multiplied by 60 minus X is equal to 4 multiplied by 80 minus X. On solving, we get X is equal to 20. So 20 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:6. The correct answer is option C, 20 years. The ratio of Rohan's age 4 years ago and Rahul's age after 4 years is 1:1. If at present the ratio of their ages is 5:3, then find the ratio between Rohan's age 4 years hence and Rahul's age 4 years ago. You're given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that at present ratio of Rohan's and Rahul's ages is 5:3. So let their present ages be 5x and 3x. It's given the ratio of Rohan's age 4 years ago and Rahul's age after 4 years is 1:1. Now we know that Rohan's age is at present is 5x. So his age 4 years ago would have been 5x minus 4. We know that Rahul's present age is 3x. So Rahul's age after 4 years will be 3x plus 4. So 5x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 is equal to 1 divided by 1. On cross multiplication, we get 5x minus 4 is equal to 3x plus 4, and on solving we get x is equal to 4. We are asked to find the ratio between Rohan's age 4 years hence and Rahul's age 4 years ago. Now we know that Rohan's present age is 5x. So his age 4 years hence means his age after 4 years would be 5x plus 4. We know that x is equal to 4. So 5x plus 4 is 24 years. Now Rahul's present age is 3x. So Rahul's age after 4 years, Rahul's age 4 years ago would have been 3x minus 4. We know that x is equal to 4. So 3x minus 4 is 8 years. So the ratio of Rohan's age 4 years hence and Rahul's age 4 years ago is 24 divided by 8, which is 3:1. So the required ratio is 3:1. The correct answer is option B, 3:1. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present, at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, what was the son's age 5 years back? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the Correct one. It's given that at present the father's age is 38. Let the son's present age be X years. It's given father was as old as the son's present age at the time of the son's birth. Now the son's present age is X years. This means he was born X years ago. So X years ago, the father's age would have been 38 minus X. So father was as old as the son's present age at the time of the son's birth, means 38 minus X is equal to X. On solving this, we get X is equal to 19. But we're asked to find the son's age 5 years back. So this means X minus 5, that is 19 minus 5, which is 14 years. So the son's age 5 years back was 14 years. The correct answer is option A, 14 years. When Raj was born, his father was 32 years older than his brother, and his mother was 25 years older than his sister. If Raj's brother is 6 years older than Raj and his mother is 3 years younger than his father, how old was Raj's sister when Raj was born? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now, when Raj was born, he was 0 years old. It's given Raj's brother is 6 years older than Raj. So, Raj's brother was 6 years old when Raj was born. It's given when Raj was born, his father was 32 years older than his brother. So, his father was 32 plus 6, that is 38 years when Raj was born. It's given Raj's mother is 3 years younger than his father. We know that the father was 38 years old when Raj was born. So Raj's mother was 35 years old when Raj was born. It's given Raj's mother was 25 years older than his sister. This means his sister is 25 years younger than his mother. Now, Raj's mother was 35 years old when Raj was born. So, his sister was a sister is 25 years younger than his mother. So, Raj's sister was 10 years old when Raj was born. The correct answer is option B, 10 years. Ayush was born 2 years after his father's marriage. His mother is 5 years younger than his father, but 20 years older than Ayush, who is 10 years old. At what age did the father get married? You're given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that Ayush's present age is 10 years. It's given Ayush's mother is 20 years older than Ayush. So his mother's present age is 10 plus 20, which is 30 years. So Ayush's mother's present age is 30 years. It's given Ayush's mother is 5 years younger than his father. So Ayush's father's present age is 30 plus 5, which is 35 years. So Ayush's father's present age is 35 years. Now Ayush's father's age at the time of Ayush's birth would have been 35 minus 10 years, which is 25 years. Because Ayush's present age is 10 years, this means he was born 10 years ago. So, since Ayush's father's present age is 35, 35 minus 10 is 25 years. So, Ayush's father was 25 years old when Ayush was born. It's given that Ayush was born 2 years after his father's marriage. So, Ayush's father's age at the time of marriage is 25 minus 2 years, which is 23 years. So, Ayush's father was 23 years old when he got married. So, the correct answer is option C, 23 years. Ishika got married 9 years ago. Today her age is 4 by 3 times her age at the time of her marriage. At present, her daughter's age is 1/6 of her age. What was her daughter's age 3 years ago? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to find what was the daughter's age 3 years ago. To find her daughter's age 3 years ago, first we have to know her daughter's present age. So let's find her present age first. Now it's given Ishika got married 9 years ago, but we do not know the present age of Ishika. So let the present age of Ishika be P. So since she got married 9 years ago, her age at the time of her marriage is P minus 9. It's given today her age is 4 by 3 times her age at the time of her marriage. So P is equal to 4 by 3 multiplied by P minus 9. On solving we get P is equal to 36. So Ishika's present age is 36 years. It's given Ishika's daughter's age is 1/6 of her age. So the daughter's present age is 1 by 6 multiplied by 36, which is 6 years. So the daughter's present age is 6 years. Now we are asked to find the daughter's age 3 years ago. So 3 years ago the daughter's age was 6 minus 3, that is 3 years. The correct answer is option B, 3 years. Shweta is 54 years old and her mother is 80 years old. How many years ago was Shweta's mother 3 times her age? You're given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. It's given that Shweta is 54 years old and her mother is 80 years old. So S is equal to 54 and M is equal to 80. We have to find out how many years ago Shweta's mother was 3 times her age. Let's assume it was A years ago. So A years ago, M was equal to 3S. Now we know that the present age of Shweta is 54. So A years ago, her age would have been 54 minus A. Present age of the mother is 80 years old. So her mother's age A years ago was 80 minus A. Now we know that A years ago, the mother's age was 3 times Shweta's age. So 80 minus A is equal to 3 multiplied by 54 minus A. On solving this, we get A is equal to 41. So 41 years ago, Shweta's mother was 3 times Shweta's age. The correct answer is option B, 41. When Soumya got married to Sudhir, her age was 3/4 of her husband's age. After 12 years, her age becomes 5/6 of her husband's age. Then what was Soumya's age when she got married? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. Now it's given that when Soumya got married to Sudhir, her age was 3/4 of her husband's age. Now we can assume the husband's age to be x, then Soumya's age will be 3x by 4. But then we would be left with a fraction and solving anything with a fraction is a bit tedious. So we'll assume that the husband's age at the time of marriage was 4x. So if Sudhir's age at the time of marriage was 4x, then Soumya's age would be 3/4 of 4x. 3 by 4 multiplied by 4x, which is 3x. So at the time of marriage, Sudhir's age was 4x and Soumya's age was 3x. Now it's given after 12 years, her age became 5/6 of her husband's age. Now after 12 years, the age of Sudhir will be 4x plus 12 and age of Soumya will be 3x plus 12. So after 12 years, her age became 5/6 of her husband's age. So 3x plus 12 is equal to 5 by x multiplied by 4x plus 12. Solving the equation, we get x is equal to 6. Now we are asked to find Soumya's age when she got married. Soumya got married at the age of 3x. Since x is equal to 6, 3x is equal to 18. So Soumya got married at the age of 18 years. The correct answer is option A, 18 years. Rajiv's age is 4 more than the age of Shilpa. The age of Shilpa can be obtained by subtracting 4 times her age 4 years ago from 4 times her age after 4 years. What was Rajiv's age before 4 years? You are given 4 options here and you have to find out which of these options is the correct one. So here you are asked to find what was Rajiv's age before 4 years. So for this we have to first find Rajiv's present age. It's given that Rajiv's age is 4 more than the age of Shilpa, but we do not know Shilpa's age. So let Shilpa's present age be S years. It's given the age of Shilpa can be obtained by subtracting 4 times her age 4 years ago from 4 times her age after 4 years. Now Shilpa's present age is S years. So 4 years ago her age would have been S minus 4 and after 4 years her age would have been S plus 4. So now we have S is equal to 4 multiplied by S plus 4 minus 4 multiplied by S minus 4. On solving this, we get S is equal to 32. So Shilpa's present age is 32 years. It's given Rajiv is 4 years older than Shilpa. So Rajiv's present age is 36 years. Now we are asked to find what was Rajiv's age before 4 years. So Rajiv's age 4 years earlier was 32 years. So the correct answer is option C, 32 years. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more such problems to increase your speed as well as to understand the concept clearly. Please do watch our video on solved problems on calculation of age after n years. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.